Karinear 3-burner built-in Induction Hob 6800W FlexZone Cooktop with touch control, boost, timer and safety lock, ceramic glass surface, 220 to 240 volts. Take your kitchen to the next level with the Karinear 3-burner Induction Hob, a modern, high-performance solution for flexible, fast, and safe cooking. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday meal or hosting a weekend barbecue, this built-in cooktop offers intelligent features, sleek design, and serious power to support all your culinary ambitions. Featuring 3 independent burners, including a large FlexZone that combines 2 zones into one, and a 6800W total power output, this induction hob is built for speed, precision, and versatility. Key features and benefits: powerful heating with boost mode. With a total output of 6800W and 9 adjustable power levels, this hob can handle everything from gentle simmering to rapid boiling. Activate the boost function for even faster heating when time is tight, ideal for searing or boiling large pots of water in minutes. Flexible combined cooking zone, hosting a dinner party or grilling indoors. The FlexZone, 39.2 x 21 centimeters, lets you merge 2 zones into one large heating area. Perfect for oversized pans, teppanyaki grills, or long pots. Cook with freedom and flexibility. Intuitive touch and slider controls. Adjust power and settings with ease using the high-sensitivity touch slider. No pressure needed. Just glide your finger to adjust the heat. Set cooking times with the integrated 99-minute timer for hands-free cooking and total control. Multiple safety features. Enjoy worry-free cooking thanks to advanced safety systems. Child safety lock, auto shut-off, overheat protection, residual heat indicator, perfect for family households or shared spaces. Durable, easy-to-clean ceramic glass. The black ceramic glass surface is heat-resistant, stylish, and easy to maintain. A quick wipe is all it takes to keep your hob looking spotless. Its minimalist, built-in design fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen layout. Compatible with magnetic cookware, this induction hob requires magnetic-based cookware, e.g., cast iron, stainless steel. Not sure if your pans are compatible? Just use a magnet. If it sticks, you're good to go. Technical specifications: type 3-burner built-in induction hob. Power supply: 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Total power output: 6800W. Power levels: 9 adjustable settings plus boost. FlexZone dimensions: 39.2 x 21 centimeters. Timer: 0 to 99 minutes per zone. Controls: touch and slider control. Safety features: child lock, auto off, overheat protection, heat indicator. Surface: ceramic glass. Installation: built-in, requires hard wiring. Ideal for modern kitchens, small or mid-size households, apartment living, entertainers and home chefs. Anyone looking for a sleek, powerful cooktop with added safety. What's in the box? Karinear 3-burner induction hob. Installation manual, mounting accessories, scraper for cleaning. Smart, stylish, and built to perform. The Karinear induction hob combines cutting-edge functionality with a timeless design, helping you cook faster, cleaner, and more confidently than ever. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, Karinear puts performance at your fingertips.